We are going to cover the theoretical part behind EKS, that is Elastic Kubernetes Services. So Amazon EKS is a managed Kubernetes service which has been provided by AWS. It actually simplifies the process of running the Kubernetes on AWS without actually needing to install the control plane and operate and maintain at your own Kubernetes control plane. So basically, here you don't need to actually worry about the control plane. That is being taken care by AWS itself. Here you will be only managing and would be responsible for worker plane, right? So what are the sort of key features that EKS bring us into your plate? Let us go through that specific thing. So the first thing is manage control plane. So EKS actually automatically manages the control plane, which includes the Kubernetes API server and etcd, the key value store for the cluster data across multiple AWS AZs for high availability. Now, the second and the best part over this thing is why we should consider EKS in the first place is because it actually is good with the integration with other AWS services. So it gets seamlessly integrated with IAM, ELB, VPC, Fargate, etc. Okay, and when it comes to scalability and high availability, so basically EKS is actually designed to run the production ready workloads with high availability by distributing the control plane across multiple availability zones. This actually increases the fault tolerance and scalability of the application. Now whenever we are talking about production, there is somehow concern regarding security and compliance. So EKS provides a robust security, which includes the integration with IAM role and encryption of sensitive data. And this can be done with the use of KMS, that is Amazon Key Management Service, and network isolation, right? For example, VPC in this case. Now, the next thing that EKS brings us is EKS Managed Node Group. So this feature allows you to automate the provisioning and lifecycle management of worker nodes, making it very much easier to manage, scale, and patch, and also update the application. Now self-managed node, so you can also, there is an alternation to the specific thing. You can manage your own worker node using EC2 instance, giving you more control over the compute resource. This actually is given for the one where you actually require complete control over your nodes, right? So for that specific thing you can go for the same. Now, Kubernetes upgrades. So EKS provides automatic upgrades and patching of Kubernetes cluster to ensure that they are running securely using the latest feature which has been released. Okay, observability and monitoring. So EKS integrates with AWS CloudWatch for monitoring and logging, along with the X-ray distribution tracing application within the cluster. Right now, let us see the use cases. So it can be used for microservices. So managing and scaling microservices using Kubernetes containers becomes very handy. Hybrid cloud. So EKS can be extended over on-premise Kubernetes workload to Amazon hybrid cloud. Third is CI/CD. So it can be used for automating the workflows by integrating Kubernetes with tools like Jenkins or any AWS code pipeline. So let us summarize entirely about EKS. So Amazon EKS is a service that's help you to run and manage application using container without actually worrying about the technical concepts and details of K8. With EKS, you don't need to actually manage Kubernetes yourself. It scales easily. It integrates with AWS services easily. And in short, EKS makes it easier for us to run, scale, and manage containerized application on AWS without actually need to worrying about the control plane. That was all about Amazon EKS, and see you in the next demonstration where we are actually going to work on Amazon EKS. We are going to actually deploy a two-tier application. And yeah, see you in the next one.